The clock says 9 p.m. Nothing about your food changes. But inside your body, something else does. A biological shift quietly begins. And many people never notice it. As night arrives, your body starts preparing for a completely different job. Not digestion, not movement, not work, recovery. Yet millions of people continue eating deep into the night. The question is not whether food becomes dangerous after 9 p.m. The real question is what your body is already trying to do when that food arrives. The answer is more surprising than most people think. Throughout the day, your body follows an internal timing system called the circadian rhythm. This biological clock helps control hormone release, body temperature, metabolism, digestion, and sleep. And according to modern research, many digestive processes work differently at night than they do during daylight hours. This is where things become interesting. During the evening, levels of the hormone melatonin gradually rise. Most people know melatonin as the hormone that helps regulate sleep, but it also interacts with digestion. As melatonin increases, several digestive functions begin slowing down. Food may move through the digestive system more slowly compared to earlier in the day. The stomach and intestines are still working, just not at their daytime pace. Now imagine eating a large meal shortly before sleep. The body suddenly receives a major digestive task at the exact moment it is shifting resources toward nighttime recovery. Nothing dramatic happens instantly, but inside, competing biological processes begin. Digestion wants activity. Sleep wants restoration, and the body must balance both. This is why some people notice feelings of heaviness, bloating, or discomfort after eating late at night. The digestive system remains active when the body would otherwise be winding down. But digestion is only part of the story. Something even more important may be happening in the bloodstream. Studies suggest that insulin sensitivity tends to be higher earlier in the day and lower during the evening. Insulin is the hormone that helps move glucose from the blood into cells. When insulin sensitivity decreases, the body may process the same meal differently than it would at breakfast or lunch. In simple terms, timing can influence how efficiently nutrients are handled. This does not mean every late-night snack causes harm. It means the body's metabolic environment is different at night, and different conditions can produce different outcomes. Then there is sleep itself. Many people are surprised to learn that food can influence sleep quality in multiple ways. Large meals, especially those high in fat or very spicy foods, may increase the likelihood of nighttime discomfort. For some people, lying down soon after eating can make stomach contents move upward into the esophagus. This can contribute to acid reflux symptoms and disturbed sleep. The result is not always obvious. You may sleep through the night and still wake up feeling less refreshed. The connection often remains hidden. But there is another mystery unfolding while you sleep. During deep sleep, the body performs some of its most important maintenance work. Growth hormone is released. Tissues repair themselves. The immune system carries out critical functions. The brain begins a remarkable cleaning process, removing metabolic waste that accumulates during waking hours. Scientists continue studying how sleep and metabolism interact. What they consistently find is that timing matters. Your body is not simply responding to what you eat. It is also responding to when you eat. This idea has become one of the most fascinating areas of modern nutrition research. Two identical meals may not produce identical biological responses if consumed at different times of day. The food remains the same. The body does not. Of course, not everyone follows the same schedule. Night shift workers, people with different sleep patterns, and individuals with unique medical conditions may experience different effects. Human biology is complex. There is no universal cutoff where food suddenly becomes harmful. The body does not see a clock and instantly change at 9 p.m. Instead, it gradually transitions into its nighttime state. And that transition changes how it handles incoming food. Perhaps the most surprising fact is that your body operates on timing systems that evolved long before smartphones, electricity, and midnight snacks existed. Those ancient biological rhythms are still active today, quietly influencing digestion, metabolism, and sleep every single night. So the next time you reach for food after 9 p.m., remember this. The meal may look exactly the same, but the body receiving it is not. And that difference could be more important than most people realize. Follow for more science-backed health mysteries and hidden biological facts. What is the latest time you've ever eaten before going to sleep? And did you notice any difference the next morning?